The existing kitchen is decommissioned straight away and a temporary kitchen set up in the rear reception. This separates the family from the building zone and helps to ease the impact on everyday life. The neighbour's fence is removed and a trench dug to a depth of 1 metre around the perimeter of the new extension. The trench is then mass-filled with concrete, forming the new foundations. The external walls are made up of 3 layers: 100mm thermal breeze block, 100mm rock wall insulation and yellow brick stocks. Instead of the traditional internal finish of block and plaster, on this particular project, the customer opted to replace that with an internally exposed wall. Our carpenters construct the timber framework, creating openings for 3 large skylights, and insert the necessary insulation to create a warm deck roof. Plywood is laid over the entire roof, covered with felt and finished with all the necessary lead flashings. The flat roof is built with a gradient that guides the water to the side and then out towards the rear wall gutter. Once the skylights have been ordered, protective boarding is temporarily fitted over the openings to protect from the external elements. Walls are then removed and temporarily supported to open up with the new extension and rear garden. The remaining pad foundations are then dug out along with the new extension floor. The drainage is configured for the new wastes in the kitchen and WC, whilst the existing manhole is decommissioned with a new rodding access point created in the garden. The pad foundations and remaining trench is filled. Once cured, all steel beams and columns are fitted, and at that point, the glazer installs the internally frameless skylights. Insulated stud walls were constructed to create the new downstairs toilet and utility cupboard, which extends into the hallway and creates a new entrance to the kitchen. Once the shell is up, all first-fix electrics and plumbing take place. The walls are then finished with plasterboard and skimmed. The second-fix electrics are then completed and screed is laid to the extension floor. Aluminium folding doors are installed to make the building weathertight. The specialist finishing team decorate the walls and ceiling, and then insulated ply is laid to the floor. Electrical underfloor heating is installed and the floor tiled. Finally, the kitchen is fitted to complete the project.